Are you ready to learn how to stitch your skirt? Okay, let's get to work. So these are the pieces, you have them cut already. I have it in a mini version so that it's easier for you to see. This is the middle front part, the side front part, the back part of the pocket. This is another part, and the belt. Before you remove your pins, a good practice would be to mark this side, like I have put these lines to make sure which is the wrong side if your fabric doesn't clearly show which one is the wrong side. Okay, now that it is done, I'm going to remove the pins. Okay, now your first step, this is your front middle part. Put it on the table or any flat surface, good side facing you, and then put one of these pieces good side facing the good side like this, and then take the other piece good side facing the good side. If in your pattern you have notches, make sure that you align them. Okay, and then put couple of pins. Okay, this I'm going to remove. Remember to have your head coming out when you add the pins. And then stitch from here to here, leaving in this skirt pattern you will leave 0.3 inches sewing allowance. Once it's stitched, this is how it's going to look. I have added the stitch here, and then you will turn it like this, open this up and keep it like this. So keep that aside. Now we are going to start with the pockets. Take your pockets pieces, put them like this, good side facing you. Good sides should face each other. Put that one on top of the other like this, one on top of the other, and then stitch around this. So when you stitch, I'm going to show you the actual one. This is how it will look. You're going to stitch from starting from here, come all the way down and stitch up to here. Okay, pockets are stitched. What next? Take one of this pocket. The wrong side of this part of the pocket should be facing you. Take it straight to this area. Remember to take the bottom part of the pocket and fold it in such a way that it is out of your way, and put it right here. Okay, and then put couple dot pins, remembering to have the heads coming out. And if you have notches, you can align them. That will make it easy for you. And then take this other pocket, do the same thing and put it right here. Now from here to here, leaving 0.3 inches sewing allowance, stitch around this area from here to here. Now the pockets are stitched. You can see this is how it's going to look. Let me see, show you on the actual skirt how it's going to look. Yeah, so as you can see, I have attached the pockets on the actual skirt the way I showed you in the mini version. Okay, let's see how to stitch the rest of the skirt now and what to do. Okay, now take this, turn your pocket this way like this. If you want, you can add top stitches in this area, totally up to you, and the pocket will sit like this. This is how it's going to look. Now at this point you will decide which side of the pocket you are going to keep the opening. You will add an invisible zipper. So depending on whether you are a right hander or a left hander, you will decide. If you are a right hander, usually you would keep the opening in your right side. So I am going to keep it to the right side. Now the right side facing me, take your back piece, put it like this, and stitch one side, stitch the side where you are not going to add the zipper. Let's say you are going to add the zipper in this side. I want it in this side, so I am going to add a stitch from here to here in the skirt. I'm going to stitch only this side right now. Okay, that's your first step. Okay, once you add one side of the zipper, next step is take your piece which is for the belt, fold it into two right sides facing each other, and stitch from both the edges like this. Okay, and then turn this around, turn it inside out, and you have it like this. Now take your belt, take it here, put it on this. Okay, just one side, attach this one part of the belt to your waist, and as you come to this side, stop when you are like almost there, like 2 inches away. Okay, stop it. So your waist belt, the belt is attached halfway, and then fold it like this. Take the other part of the zipper and attach it to the other side, to the back side of the skirt, and then complete attaching the zipper and finish it off. Then your zippers are attached. You can go ahead and stitch the sides, and then you will check your height. If anything needs to be changed, let's say you need to make it shorter, you will make it shorter. So it's always a good idea that you check wear your skirt and check it before you do the hemming. Once that is done, Let's say your belt is attached like this. You're going to turn this around and stitch it from the reverse side using a needle, or you will stitch it in such a way that goes along the exact line of the stitch, and there you go, you will have your skirt ready.